Texas Governor Greg Abbott is looking to pardon a U.S. Army sergeant who was convicted of murder for shooting and killing a protester during a racial justice demonstration in 2020. In a Twitter post, Abbott said, "Texas has one of the strongest stand-your-ground laws of self-defense that cannot be nullified by a jury or a progressive district attorney." He added he plans to approve the pardon, quote, "as soon as it hits my desk." Sergeant Daniel Perry shot and killed Garrett Foster during racial justice protests in July 2020. Perry turned onto a crowded street where protesters were marching. Foster, who legally owned and was carrying an AR-15 style rifle, was in that crowd. Perry claims Foster raised the rifle and he fired in self-defense, but a Texas jury didn't buy it, convicting Perry of murder. Perry faces up to life in prison. In a statement, Travis County District Attorney Jose Garza called the governor's announcement deeply troubling and said, quote, "In our legal system, a jury gets to decide whether a defendant is guilty or innocent, not the governor." Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton appeared on Fox and Friends to defend the governor's announcement.
Any crimes that he doesn't like, he nullifies, and then he maliciously prosecutes people that he doesn't like for political purposes.
Paxton and Governor Abbott have called for the Republican-controlled Texas legislature to rein in what they call rogue prosecutors. The Texas Senate has already passed a law that would give district judges the power to remove duly elected prosecutors for official misconduct. While the governor has expressed his plans for a pardon, he can't pardon Perry on his own. In Texas, the State Board of Pardons and Paroles must recommend an inmate be pardoned before the governor can approve it. But Abbott has requested an expedited review of this case. The members of the Texas Board of Pardons and Paroles are appointed by the Texas governor. Jamal Andrus, Scripps News.